Do you ever remember when you bought a physical copy of a game and you can open up the front cover and there's a small paper manual out the front? What happened to those? A little bit hidden, but these manuals are actually available on the Steam client. What you need to do is search for a game that you know has a manual. Right click on it and go to Properties. And then from Properties, just under the developer name, you'll find the manual. Just click that and it will load up with the entire game manual. If you're someone with a whole bunch of friends, you may have found that the Steam friends list becomes pretty much unusable. I mean, how am I meant to find someone in this list? Well, it's actually really hidden, but it's quite easy to hide all of these offline friends. All you need to do is click the small drop down arrow just above your profile picture and then press Show Online Friends Only. Hit that and it will only show anyone who's online or in-game, so it's super easy to find people. Now if you still search up a category, it will still show all of the offline people, and similarly, if you look for someone by their profile name, you'll still be able to see offline people. So it makes the friends list function a whole lot more usable if you have a whole bunch of friends. If you have some Steam games, you may not have realized this, but a whole bunch of them come with extra tools and software which you can access. If you hover over Library and then you come down to Tools, what you'll find is a whole bunch of things which you've probably never even seen before. This includes a whole bunch of things for hosting servers, as well as useful benchmarking tools you can use to test your computer. If you've ever wanted to take multiple games in your library and install them all, uninstall, or add them all to one category all at once, it initially seems really tedious. But here's something which I managed to figure out only after a few years of using Steam. If you hold down Control, you can select multiple games. And on a similar front, if you hold down Shift, you can select a block. So if I want to, for example, take all of the Sam and Max games, I can hold Control and Shift and then select the entire block. Then I can just right click on any of them and I can set them to a category, for example, Sam and Max. And there we go. Everything is now in the Sam and the Max category. On the front, if you're someone who buys bundles or buys a whole bunch of games at once, you can actually go through and install them all at once. If you hold down Control, you can select multiple games, then you can right click on any of them and you can press install, and you can go through the install windows one after another. Have you ever wanted Steam to look like this, or this? Well, you're in luck. It's actually really easy. All that you actually need to do is go to one of the websites, so look in the description for links, just go and download it, and once you have it installed, save the folder to your desktop, then open up your file explorer, then we just need to go to our Steam installation, and by default that's in C, program files x86 for a 64-bit machine, scrolling down and looking for Steam, and then just in this skins folder. Once you're there, you just drag in your skin, then go to Steam in the top left of your client, settings, interface, press this little drop down here, press merge for Steam or which other skin you've downloaded, then just go and restart Steam. Now after about a minute, everything will be set up and you notice that a whole bunch of things have been moved around and everything just looks a whole lot better and how you want it to look. If there's anything else which it took you guys years to find out, leave it down in the comments. If you've got any questions about any of these steps, also leave it down there, and I'll hopefully make a few more of these if I can find some more cool things to show you guys. So stay tuned.